It's right out here. Say hi, Rio. 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 Oh, hello. Good morning. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. We just... I actually got up earlier than you. Super surprising. We are about to go to breakfast at pretty much the best place ever. It's called 7 Mile Cafe in Denton, Texas. You excited?
Uh-huh.
You look out of it.
I am.
Rio, what are you doing? That's just so weird how he just sits right there in the sun. He just likes chilling in the sun. But we're gonna go to breakfast, then we're gonna go to the Denton Jazz and Arts Festival. And there we go. And yeah, then we'll see what the day brings. Also, real quick, we got this package in the mail. It went to Steven's dad's house, but it's addressed to us, Steven and Kirsten Allen. But it's got no name, like no return address or anything. It's just from Amazon, and it's like a
sun visor for the back window.
Sun visor. We have no idea who sent this to us. Like, there's no card inside or whatever. I mean, we didn't order it. Did we order it like a long time ago, or? Nope. Yeah, like we didn't order it, and we have no idea who sent this to us. Because I mean, I feel like my family, most of my family knows this address, and most of yours knows this address. But yeah, so the mystery continues.
So here we are, up here on the left is our 7 Mile Cafe. Wonderful, wonderful place for breakfast.
Tummies are full and happy. Ooh, don't kill us. Don't kill my car. Won't be the first time you ran into a car with my car. But our tummies are happy and full. We just had pancakes at 7 Mile. And if you're in Dallas or visiting Dallas, I highly recommend visiting that place because their pancakes are so good. They're just so nice and fluffy, and like I had the...
In 500 feet, turn left onto West McKinney Street.
I had the cinnamon roll pancakes, which I think they recently changed it. Changed it because their menu, like, it used to have like a little vegan symbol. Like, if it has like the little green symbol, then it can be made vegan. But I didn't have it on the menu this time, and so I had to ask, and they said they could make it vegan, so... Excuse me. But yeah.
Turn left onto West McKinney Street.
Don't tell me what to do. But yeah, so 7 Mile, highly recommend it. And there's multiple locations too. We're at the one in Denton. I think there's one in like Keller, Texas, and where's the other one that you found?
Don't remember.
But yeah, but it's good. Now we're going to find the Arts and Jazz Festival. Should be fun. I'm gonna change my shoes because I think we'll be doing a lot of walking, and I don't really want to do a lot of walking in heels. So.
Down. Down. Low 5. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Stay. Leave it. Take it.
Ooh. Stay. What is up? We are finally home. We had a very relaxing day after we got back from the festival. Steven took a nap along with Rio, and I read my book. And now I'm just sitting back with a glass of wine. I should put an ice cube in this because it wasn't as cold as I wanted it. But just watching my grill man over there. And then my little scaredy cat. Where is he? And there he is. This dog is afraid of so many things, and we don't know why. I mean, we don't torment him with anything. He doesn't like the smell of fire, and so he smells the grill, and I think he's nervous. Yeah. I feel like such a girl right now, just sitting back with a glass of wine watching you do the work. But I got quite a bit of reading done. I'm reading The Woman in Cabin 10, which I'll be honest, this is the first book that like I've actually really enjoyed in a long time. And I read like 2 books prior to this and that I had to stop in the middle of it because I just couldn't get into, but I'm so into this book. I definitely highly recommend it if you want just like a kind of a fast fictional read and like a mystery that if you like mysteries, then this is a really good book. I'm about more than halfway through it. The grill master at work. Oh, and we also got shirts today at the festival. They both have little pockets. Mine has sunglasses on the pocket and his is a bear. And the company is Southern Drift. Here, let me show the back of yours. There, yeah, it's a bear with like the mountains, a forest, some like evergreens, and it says not all of those who wander are lost. And it's a bear, and so that's his favorite animal. Yeah, show mine.
And she's got the pineapple, wearing the sunglasses with the palm trees in the reflection, and then her Southern Drift right down there. So
I'm obsessed with pineapples. That's a very Charleston thing too. I think pineapple is like the, what would you call it? Like the, not like logo, but like, I don't know. But I mean, there's a gigantic pineapple statue like right in the middle of the waterfront park. So pineapples and palm trees, that's what I'm all about. Just very southern. Rio, you're a little scaredy cat. I'm sorry, Rio. You're okay. It's not gonna get you. It's not gonna get you, baby. Oh. You wanna go inside? Here, you can go inside. Come on. Mama will let you inside. Get away from the mean grill. Yeah, there you go, sweetheart. But now we are just grilling out. We're doing some Beyond sausage. He was actually the one that found it at Whole Foods. And then we're doing some corn, and the way that we do corn is...
Here, I'll tell it.
Okay, yeah, I'll let him tell it.
One of the recipes I found for doing corn on the cob, which I really like, make sure it stays nice and juicy, is, as you can see, just wrap it in aluminum foil, but you also put some butter, salt, pepper, anything else you want on it in there. And then you do about a 2-minute rotation, about 7 times. And it just lets all that stuff just circle around and melt in and keeps all the moisture in. Tastes delicious.
And we use the Earth Balance butter and got some asparagus. And the Beyond sausages, we got the original and then the hot
Italian.
Hot Italian, yeah. And so super excited. your mom, my sweet boy. You're so cute.